Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay for in-app purchases. First, let's get you set up. Make sure your Apple device is running the latest software for optimal performance. Then, open the Wallet app, tap the plus icon, and follow the simple steps to add your preferred credit or debit card. You might need to verify your card with your bank, which usually takes just a minute or two. Once added, you are ready to enjoy secure and swift transactions. Now, let's walk through making an actual in-app purchase. When you're ready to buy something within an app, simply look for the Apple Pay button. Tapping this button will bring up your payment details. You'll then confirm your purchase using your Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your device passcode. This quick authentication step ensures only you can authorize payments, making transactions both fast and incredibly secure. Apple Pay prioritizes your security and privacy with several robust features. When you use Apple Pay, your actual card number is never stored on your device or shared with merchants. Instead, a unique encrypted device account number is used for every transaction. Furthermore, each purchase requires your Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode, adding an extra layer of protection. Your transaction data remains private, ensuring peace of mind with every payment. To ensure a smooth experience, here are a few tips and troubleshooting steps. Always make sure your device has a stable internet connection when making purchases. If a payment fails, double-check that your card in the Wallet app is active and not expired. For persistent issues, contacting your bank or card issuer is often the best next step. Keeping your device's software updated also helps maintain optimal Apple Pay functionality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.